Here's a video of it now. I don't know if this is taping. I think it is. Here comes the fire truck. I'll zoom in. Hear the fire truck coming. There's lots of flames. Oh, yikes. The car could blow up. The fire truck's here. They'll get it out fast. Big flames coming now. Good night. And I saw the start of it. Ooh, lots of flames. I don't know. It seemed to be a truck, and it's hauling a backhoe on the back of it. There goes the fireman. I'm walking back. Just a minute. Sorry for the jiggle. Pretty scary. They're hosing it now. Look at the black smoke now. Ooh. Where there's people, there'll always be trouble. Well, they're gonna get it out. Thank goodness it didn't blow up. I hear another siren. Glenmore is stopped at this end. I'll show you. See down here? There's a police car blocking off Glenmore. And the policeman was talking to somebody. And here comes another vehicle. Shh! Oliver. I think they're getting it okay now. Thank goodness for the fire department. Oliver tried to go after a girl running by. Wow. What's up, you clown? I'm gonna stop this now.